Hey guys, how you doing? This is Eve from Jungle Blends, and today I'm going to make a video that shows the wood grain technique. I don't know if you're familiar with it, if you have seen it probably in other videos. I do mine a little different. I like to cut mine vertical instead of cutting it horizontal, and I always think that the result is fabulous. I mean, I also like the horizontal cut, the wood grain look, but if I had to choose between both, I prefer the one that I'm going to show you in this video. So why don't you follow me and we'll make some soap. So here I have my colors ready. This is deep purple. This is orange mixed with a little bit of black oxide. This is black oxide mixed with titanium dioxide. And this is red mica. In the description below, I will put all the real names and brands of the mica so that you know which ones I'm using exactly. So here I'm just pouring my lye solution into my oils and butters, which I have previously melted. And this time I wanted to make sure that I made the video in real time, so no acceleration up until the cutting process. I think it's important because, especially during the pouring time, I think it's important that you see how fast it's poured in real time to get the desired lines, because sometimes acceleration videos can be misleading. So now we're just gonna pour. What I did here is I kind of eyeballed it. I just divided my batter into those 4 colors. And the way we're gonna pour this is we're gonna pour it from 2 pitchers, and we're gonna combine 2 colors in each pitcher. So one pitcher will have the deep purple and red, and the other pitcher will have the orange and gray. Unfortunately, I did not film this when I was pouring it in the 2 different pitchers. I apologize, but you know, while I'm pouring, I think you get the gist of it. So I just put 2 colors in each one. Here I'm just mixing by hand. I didn't want my batter to accelerate too much, but this is a fragrance that behaves really well. It's sandalwood, Mysore sandalwood, and I will also, here you see the bottle, I will also put it in the description below for you to see. So here I'm pouring the first 2 colors, so orange and gray. And you see this is me pouring in real time, so I'm going pretty fast. The faster you go, the thinner the lines. So if you want thicker lines, then obviously you can slow down. I mean, there's no rules to it, but if you want a real wood grain, then you have to, you know, pour fairly fast. So what I'm doing here is I'm alternating the colors. Instead of just doing one uniform wood grain, you know, with 2 colors, I decided to do 4 colors. And so here I'm pouring a little bit of the orange and black, and then I alternate with the red and deep purple. And then I'll switch back and forth. So here I go again with the orange and dark gray. And I really hope this is gonna look good. This is totally improvised, you guys, as usual. And I chose these colors based on the fact that I am targeting a male audience for this soap. I need to replace my sandalwood in the men's section, which always gets sold out pretty quickly. And yeah, I find that these color combinations usually attract men. I find that guys usually like colors like dark, you know, black and blue, or red and black for some reason. And the colors are pretty cool. I like it as well. And I don't know why sandalwood is more of a masculine smell. I honestly love it. Like, if I could choose a smell for myself, a scent for myself, then it would always be sandalwood, and different kinds of sandalwood. I love them all. So here we're nearing the top, and I don't know if you noticed, but I tilted my mold slightly, and once you reach the top and it gets hard to pour when it's tilted, you can just take the bottom part away, whatever you use to tilt it, and keep pouring straight. You will see me doing that just in a minute as well. Yep, here we go. So I just use a spatula to tilt it, but you can use whatever object, you know, makes you feel comfortable. Just make sure it's not something that is not stable and will, you know, and risk pouring, like tipping it over. So this is the end result. I'm not going to swirl anything. I'm just going to leave it this way. And all I'm going to do is spritz it with alcohol because I don't want to get soda ash on this pretty bar. And here we are the next day to cut our loaf. And I always love this first part, the discovery. And I am liking what I see. I don't know about you guys, but I think this looks beautiful. Here you can check it out up closer. And here is the view of the final cut of all the bars. So you can see that the lines are really fine, and my favorite piece is actually that last piece that has a bigger yellow part. The other ones, like this one here, have much finer lines, and I think that's just due to the fact that in the beginning and towards the end I poured slower, and then in the middle maybe I poured faster. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this. I hope that maybe you learned something, and if not, I hope that you just, you know, had a good time while I showed you this technique. One of my favorites because I feel like it always makes beautiful designs no matter which color combination you use. And yeah, and if you have any ideas or suggestions for a next video, for a next design that you would like me to see or see me try, no guarantees that I'll succeed, I'm always happy to hear them. Leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe so that you're not missing any future videos. That's it guys, see you soon, bye.